Let's make a rich, creamy chocolate banana smoothie that's both healthy and incredibly delicious. Start by pouring 1 cup of fresh soy milk into your blender. Next, add a 1/4 cup of creamy yogurt for a smooth and velvety texture. Drop in 1 ripe banana for natural sweetness and extra creaminess. Now add 1 tablespoon of almond butter for healthy fats and a rich, nutty flavor. Sprinkle in 1½ teaspoons of cocoa powder to create that deep chocolate taste. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract brings all the flavors together beautifully. If you like it a little sweeter, drizzle in 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Now blend everything until it's perfectly smooth, creamy, and silky.
Watch the ingredients transform into a rich chocolate swirl.
Look at that thick, creamy texture. Absolutely irresistible.
Carefully pour the smoothie into your favorite serving glass.
Every sip is packed with chocolatey goodness and natural nutrition.
Add a reusable glass straw, and it's ready to enjoy. Healthy, refreshing, and incredibly satisfying with every single sip. Save this recipe, try it today, and don't forget to share it with someone who loves healthy smoothies.